Good morning to one and all. So today in this video we are going to discuss about future retail share. So we have two newses related to this company. One was obtained today and another was given yesterday only, and most of the people are not familiar about it. So watch the video till the end to not miss any update. So firstly, before that, I know that in the previous two videos back, I guess I gave recommendation on Adani Green to buy it when it was in lower circuit only. Okay, so that's why I tell that to not miss any update, you need to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's get started with this video. So firstly, let me show you the news which was obtained today. So you can see that Future Retail explores, evaluates various opportunities for stake sale. So most of the people thought that it's not with Reliance. Okay, so that's why the operator started entering and they are doing trading in that stock. Okay, they're doing trading. So nothing to panic about this stock. Okay, it has bright future because it is into retail segment, and the maximum profit to the Future Group is obtained through Future Retail only. Okay, Big Bazaar, those all are part of Future Retail only. So nothing to panic, just it's operator game. Okay, they're doing trading and they're making investors panic, so they'll start selling. So don't do any selling, just hold it. That's why I told that before also, take in small quantities. Okay, if you take in small quantities, you can chill and relax. Okay, and you can add on dips. Okay, you'll be safe on both sides. So this is the news which was obtained. Apart from that, we can see that Future Retail responded to report to talk sell stake in the firm to Reliance Industries on Thursday, said it continues to explore and evaluate various opportunities. So it's telling that apart from Reliance also, we are searching for various opportunities for the stake sale in the company. Okay, so many investors are ready to buy this particular stake in the company. So nothing to panic. Okay, the news is not any particular negative. Okay, only thing is that the operators are playing the game. Okay, they are doing trading, so they're buying at low and they're selling at high, and in between the retailers are getting trapped. Okay, so have a vision of long term. Okay, have a vision of long term and hold the shares. Okay, don't sell anything. Okay, and if we see Future Retail operates around 1000. Okay, future future let me mark that. So Future Retail operates around 1500 retail stores. Okay, and cover over 16 million square feet in 400 cities. So 400 cities, it is present in Big Bazaar, flagship chain, besides the small stores. So the company has bright future. Who doesn't go to retail stores to get the daily needs? Okay, so you need to have long term vision rather than panic selling. So apart from that, the news which was that was obtained yesterday is, I'll show you it. Yeah, so this is the news. Okay, the Future Group partners with US based Unicorn O9 solution to boost supply chain. So to boost the supply chain, it's also in partnership with the Unicorn O9 solution. So who people who don't know Unicorn O9 solution, it's an AI powered platform, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the future, of next generation also, and that it operates in 1500 stores, so it will be a very huge profit to the company. Okay, so if you are selling right now, it's very bad thing, so you need to hold this share in and add in small quantities. If you add in small quantities, you will be on safe side. Okay, so this is also one good news about this company. And apart from that, you can see this news. Future Group has partnered with O9 Solutions, a digital solution startup, okay, to improve supply chain through US based Unicorn artificial intelligence powered platform. So this is also a very good news. Okay, this is also very good news, and people were not aware of this news. They are only aware of the news that which was obtained today, that they're looking for various opportunities. So on basis of that, so many people started selling, including operators. Okay, so you should not panic. Okay, even I told about future consumer also. Add on dips. I've given the levels, so focus on that. People have not watched the video, do watch it. Okay, so if you see on technical charts, okay, you can see on 1 day chart, you can see it's currently around 141. I've taken the screenshot recently. So 141 rupees, and the money flow index is also pointing upwards. So you should not panic and you need to hold it. Even if correction comes, even if the operator wins today, tomorrow they may not win. Okay, or in the coming days they may not win, because on July 15th also what will happen, you need to wait and watch about the Reliance. And so many investors are ready. Even Amazon is also already having stake, and even if CI Unicorn Solutions. So so many good news are there for this company. So you need to wait patiently and hold the stock. Okay, and this is about a 1 week chart also. So it's continuously in uptrend and should follow that pattern. Okay, so don't panic. Okay, and hold it. Okay, even FL everything started correcting, so don't bother about other thing. Our focus is on future retail and we'll add it on dips. Okay, so in the next video we'll discuss about another share. So do subscribe to the channel to not miss any update. Okay, so until then, take care. Bye bye.